cooking with, actually cooking for Shuchi. Hi, Jocko. What you doing?
Making Shuchi a frittata.
Oh, yummy. Let's see. Show me the eggs.
These are the eggs. We got a half a dozen eggs, a little bit of milk, salt and pepper.
Oh, look at that.
You want to get them, you don't want to just combine them. You want to actually get some air in there and really get them nice and fluffy.
And tell me about your mise en place.
So today what we had in the fridge was a little red pepper and zucchini.
What about the onion?
I don't have any onions.
Oh, jeez. I love onion. All right,
And
what's
we got
that?
some garlic.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Here we go. 6 eggs. I do that.
Okay, I think that this is the trickiest part.
It's on sort of
What's
low
the heat?
medium heat, and then I
Okay.
just kind of make sure that these things are floating around pretty good.
Okay. And then you don't try to mix the bottom.
No, because I want to
to-
leave the oil on the bottom so that
it's easy to slice up the frittata when
so
it's
they come
done.
out.
How do you know when the frittata is done? And also, where's the cheese?
I'm getting it.
So what kind of cheese have you added?
I put in some goat cheese, and this is Parmesan.
The king of cheese. How many minutes do you think it takes for it to cook over on the low medium heat?
I think it depends on the amount of eggs you got and your pan and all that business, but 5-ish minutes.
Okay, so it still looks like there's a little bit of wet eggs at the very, very top of
Right.
the frittata. But it looks like the sides are and bottom may be done. So now
So it's a
what?
little jiggly. I think it needs.
Oh, that's a good. Oh, look at
I
that.
think it needs a little more time.
Do you cover it?
No.
Okay, how jiggly is it?
A little,
Okay,
little watery
okay.
on top.
And now we have it on broil.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
How do you know how long to keep it in there?
When it's done.
That looks good. How long do you let it rest before you cut it?
Just a couple minutes, just kind of.
Do you think it's... Oh, wow, it didn't get stuck.
Of course not.
Okay, thanks, Jock. This frittata looks amazing. I just took the red eye. Children! Children, we're making a video here. This frittata looks like so fluffy and moist. Let's see how it tastes.